Have you ever looked up at the moon, a celestial body that has captivated humanity for centuries? Its mysterious glow, its ever-changing phases, and its undeniable influence on our tides have sparked countless myths and legends. But what if I told you there's a company, a tech company, that's aiming to harness the power of the moon? A company called Lunar. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's clarify one thing. Lunar isn't a space exploration company. They're not sending rockets to the moon or building lunar bases. Instead, they're focused on a more grounded, yet equally ambitious goal, revolutionizing the way we handle our finances. Lunar is a fintech company that offers a range of financial services, from bank accounts to investment opportunities. But what sets them apart is their unique approach to customer experience and financial wellness. The core question, can I trust Lunar? So, the big question is, can you trust a company that's trying to change the way we think about money? To answer this, we need to delve deeper into Lunar's offerings, their security measures, and their overall reputation. Lunar's offerings. Bank accounts. Lunar offers a variety of bank accounts, each tailored to different needs. From everyday banking to high-yield savings accounts, they've got you covered. Investment opportunities. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies through Lunar's platform. Financial wellness tools. Lunar provides tools to help you track your spending, set financial goals, and improve your overall financial health. Security and privacy. When it comes to finances, security is paramount. Lunar employs advanced security measures to protect your data and funds. They use encryption technology, two-factor authentication, and other safeguards to keep your information secure. However, it's important to note that no system is entirely foolproof. Cyber threats are constantly evolving, so it's crucial to stay vigilant and be aware of potential risks. Reputation and customer reviews. One of the best ways to gauge a company's trustworthiness is to look at its reputation. Lunar has generally positive reviews from customers, praising its user-friendly interface, helpful customer support, and innovative features. However, as with any company, there have been some negative reviews. Some customers have reported issues with customer support, technical difficulties, and delayed transactions. The verdict. So, can you trust Lunar? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. Like any financial institution, Lunar has its strengths and weaknesses. It's a relatively new company, and there's always a risk associated with adopting new technologies and services. However, if you're comfortable with the risks and you're looking for a modern, innovative approach to banking and investing, Lunar could be a good option. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the decision to trust Lunar is up to you. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed decision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.